How to update price in WooCommerce. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update prices to the products on your WooCommerce store. Before we start, you need to know that there are two product types for WooCommerce: single products and variable products. A single product has one single price and SKU, while a variable product has more than one attribute. For example, the t-shirt you sell has different colors and sizes. Then it can be a variable product. It's easy to change the price of a single product. Just go to the products and find a single product. Then click Add it to the product page, scroll down, and I will see the regular price under the product data section. You can change it to any price you want, and then click the update button to change the price. You can also do it more simply by clicking the quick edit, modify the price here, and click update. If there are a lot of the products to modify the price, it can be quite time consuming, so you need a way to modify the prices in bulk. But remember that it is only used for single products, not variable products. First, click the left check mark to select and multiply single products, and choose Edit in a bulk action drop-down bar at the top, and click Apply to edit the prices of these products. Move over to the product data area and select any option in the drop-down menu to modify the price in bulk. You can increase or decrease the price by a fixed number or percentage. Here, I will increase the price by 20%. Choose the second option and put in 20% and click Update. Now you can see all products are increased by 20%. So what is all for updating the prices of a single product? For a variable product, it could be a little bit more complicated. Click on Variable Product or Edit. It will take you to Product Editing page. In the Product Data section, then click the Variations. You will see all variations of the product. Click one variant to modify the regular price, and you can do it again for the rest variants. Once all variant prices have been modified, click the Save Changes. You can also modify the variant prices in bulk. If you have many variants, expand the Add Variation drop-down list on Variation section and click the appropriate pricing. You can update the variant prices in bulk by setting the regular price, increasing or decreasing the regular price. Here, we choose setting the regular price, click Go, enter a value, and then click OK. You will see the variant prices are updated at the same. So if the variants are not the same price, click Choose to increase the regular prices or decrease the regular prices to update in bulk. Now you can edit any product prices easily with this introduction.